How to fix two-factor SMS codes not arriving for Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's video is about how you can fix issues with not receiving Binance SMS codes. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to fix your two-factor SMS codes not arriving for Binance, you can try these solutions. First is checking your phone's signals and settings. So first, if you're on your Binance and you're logged in and you're not receiving the SMS codes for your login or for your multi-factor authentication, if that's the case, you'll need to check for your phone's signal. After you check your phone's signal, ensure that you have a strong cell signal or your Wi-Fi. So either one of those is going to be required. Make sure that your airplane mode is not turned on. If it is turned on, tap on it to turn it off. So after you turn your airplane mode on and off to reset your network's connection, you can then check if your problem is fixed. If not, you can switch to a different Wi-Fi network, or you can switch from Wi-Fi to your mobile data. So after you do that, check if your problem is fixed. If not, you can check your device app settings. So if you have any kind of call blockers, firewall, or VPN that might be blocking your SMS. So check that and make sure that's not the case. After that, you can also try using your web browser. If your app is not working, head over to any web browser. After you're there, you can simply search for Binance. Go to its website, that is binance.com. And from here, just try to log in into your account and check if it works from here. If that does not work, if you want to do it from the app, go to your settings, go to your apps, go to Binance from your apps, head over to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After you clear out your cache, that should fix the problem. So if none of this worked, there might be a problem with the server at Binance itself. So wait for some time and try again after a few minutes or maybe even some hour. And that should fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.